guys, this is Shivali from Helium10, and we'll be talking about how to use review insights to figure out which variation is selling the most. Variation listing or a parent listing is referring to any product that has different sizes, colors, SKUs, etc. But just because a child item has the same number of sales as its counterparts, here we have all the child items, say 845 for sales, and the same BSR, 23,253, does not mean that all of these child items are selling the same amount of units as their counterparts. Rather, it means that all of these child items put together have the best seller rank of this and a sales number, an estimated 845 units worth of monthly sales on average per month. However, think about it. If you're coming on to a new marketplace with a new product, it's not really efficient or even the best use of your time, money, and efforts to buy all of these variations and sizes just to figure out which one will people buy more. It'd be really difficult to even build that initial order. So how do you know which one of these is making the most amount of sales? And this is not an exact science because Amazon does not provide definitive information, but let me show you a little trick. Let's take a look at review insights. I'm not going to input any filters. I actually only have a date range put in for filters. But when I click the product variations tab, right, I get a lot of really important information here. So this will give me some insight into which child item is selling the most. Typically in variation listings, there's usually one variation that's outselling the rest. And then there's a few that are hardly selling any. And you can kind of see it reflected in the reviews. Now, reviews are not a one-to-one correlation, of course, but maybe for X amount of sales, you get 1 or 2 reviews. And you can usually see that there's a certain color or variation or size that's receiving a lion's share of the review share. So if I was going to start on this product, maybe I would want to begin with a gray throw that's sized at 50 by 60 inches. And then maybe if I wanted to do, a second color, then I could do the teal, which has 10% of the review share. So again, 29% and 10% respectively to those two. Again, this is really just a way for you to check if you're in a category where all the child items are showing up as the same BSR. This is a way to check which of those SKUs, colors, or sizes, etc. are selling the most by looking into the number of reviews per ASIN. Thank you guys, and I hope you enjoyed these videos about review insights.